Your crosshair is locked on the target. You pull the trigger, but the server says you are already dead 2 seconds ago. That gut punch of a moment is the reason NoPing has been popping up in every gaming circle lately. I spent my entire weekend digging into this thing because the hype felt a little too loud. We are looking at a company from Brazil that has been building this infrastructure since 2016. They secured a massive 70 million investment to build out their network. They even have big telecom companies bundling their software into gamer-specific internet plans. The core of their system is a patented multi-route tunneling technology. It sounds fancy, but it basically just finds the most direct path through the cluttered mess of the global internet. I saw real-world results where players went from 150 milliseconds of lag down to just 40. In the world of competitive gaming, that is a total transformation. It is like moving from a dirt road to a high-speed highway. But here is where the story gets messy. If you go look at the public review scores, they are sitting at a dismal 2.7 out of 5. That usually means the product is broken, right? Not in this case. The complaints are almost never about the actual lag reduction. The rage is entirely focused on the billing department. They lure you in with a free trial that requires a credit card. If you miss that tiny window to cancel, you get slapped with a $60 charge for a full year. It happens to so many people that it feels like a feature of their business model rather than a mistake. Users are begging for refunds, and the company is standing firm on their policy of saying no. To make things even more frustrating, the desktop app is notoriously difficult to fully remove from your system. It lives behind background processes that keep running long after you hit uninstall. This creates a strange paradox where the technology is genuinely impressive, but the customer experience is a total minefield. It is a classic case of a great product wrapped in a predatory business design. If you are a serious player who lives in a region far away from major game servers, this could be the secret weapon you need. The speed is real. However, you have to go in with your eyes wide open. Do not touch the annual plan under any circumstances. Stick to the month-to-month payments so you can walk away whenever you want. Set 3 different alarms on your phone to cancel the trial before that clock runs out. For a casual gamer, that $60 risk is probably not worth the extra few frames of responsiveness. It is a powerful tool, but it is built for people who are willing to navigate a very aggressive subscription trap just to get that perfect connection. The tech works. The results are measurable. But you have to be your own accountant if you want to avoid a massive headache. It is not for everyone, but for the right person, it changes the game.